Welcome to Spring Hall. One of St. Louis University's newest residence hall buildings, Spring Hall houses more than 450 students. It offers almost everything you need in one central location, including an academic wing with classrooms, a large multipurpose room, instrument practice rooms, study spaces, and a chapel. Roomy lounges with televisions are great places to gather with friends on each floor and offer amazing views of campus. Every floor also has 2 study rooms with whiteboards. One is set up for group study, and the other is designed for more individual use. The first floor of Spring Hall has a living room with a kitchen and a large laundry room. Outside the building, you'll find a fire pit area and an amphitheater with a large TV screen and surround sound, where outdoor classes are often held. Designed with first and second year students in mind, Spring Hall features single and double suite-style rooms. All the living spaces in Spring Hall offer semi-private bathrooms, meaning residents of the suites share a bathroom with one other room. Let's take a look at the floor plans. The 2-person single semi-suite offers the privacy of your own room and own entrance, as well as a bathroom shared with just one other person. The 4-person double semi-suite has 2 bedrooms for 4 people and a roomy shared entrance, as well as 2 bathrooms off the entry, one with a sink and toilet, and one with a sink and shower. Spring Hall also has accessible single semi-suites for Billikens who require accommodations. Each suite has its own thermostat to control the temperature. So, what's in the room? Each bedroom comes with extra-long twin beds with 9-inch memory foam mattresses, plus desks, desk chairs, and dressers, as well as open closets with an adjustable rod. So what can you do with the space? Move your bed, desk, chair, and dresser around into the configuration that suits you best. Dressers can fit in the closets to save floor space. Closets are open, but some students opt to partition them off with a curtain hung from a tension rod. Lift your bed a little for storage, or a lock to tuck a desk, dresser, or appliances underneath. You can also loft for even more space. In double rooms, beds can also be bunked. Some students in double rooms opt to loft both beds and put a TV and gaming system under one, and a futon under the other. Many students work with a university partner to take advantage of rental options that are in the room on move-in day, including loft kits, futons, and mini-fridge microwave units. There's plenty of room to bring a few extras too. Add a bookcase, more storage, or seating. Don't forget lighting, rugs, wall hangings, and other things from home that will make your room your own. Don't worry about bringing blinds. Those come with the room. But there is also space in the windows to mount curtains with a tension rod. Individual dimensions of rooms will vary based on their configuration, so check the floor plans at slu.edu for general measurements. What else should you know? Spring Hall was built to LEED Silver standards. The building was constructed with at least 20% recycled and 20% regional material. This building also offers key card entry to your room. To get into the building and your living space, all you need is your student ID. A 24-hour security desk is located in the lobby. Spring Hall's academic wing includes gender-neutral bathrooms and wudu stations. Spring Hall stays open over Thanksgiving, winter, and spring break. We can't wait to welcome you to Spring Hall. Still have questions? Learn more at slu.edu/housing.